Okay, let's look at our profit center reporting. It's a very quick topic. What we have seen is totals record. So whenever you want to see the figures for the period 0 is the carry forward, stores the carry forward figures. Let me show you. If I have to double click this, which is stored in the period 0, HVLT is period 0 because we click F1 and go to technical, it is HCLBT, and these 1, 2 fields labeled as 01, 02, 03, 04, 07 and so forth until period 16 is the normal period, January, February, March, April. So what is this for? This is known as period 0, which is to store any carry forward figures from last year. So anything which is carry forward from last year will become an opening balance for this year. The year is shown here, right? 2010 is the opening balance, which will be stored in this field here. But the problem is, as I showed you earlier, you can't see the amounts in period 0 using these line items using these line items report, because there's no period 1, sorry, there's no period 0 in this field. Okay, so the way how we can see the carry forward figure is using this posting period. Just leave it as 0 or empty and use this report totals record to see the balances. And some of these reports are also important. It shows open items for receivables. Okay. And San Francisco, Profit Center Group, choose San Francisco, and key date as of January 31st, execute. Alright, you can see the open items for receivables. This is not paid yet, so this is still open, so that's why you can see it's open. Same thing you can also see for payables. Alright, then this is master index. You can get a listing of the profit center master data. San Francisco, execute. So you can see all the master data information for the profit center. You can add more fields using the columns here. Okay, just in case if your management wants a listing of all the master data information of the profit centers. Right, these are not really needed to know, and profit center list. This is another report format to see the figures in the profit center. Okay, let me show you how it looks like. So this is just another reporting format. Here you can see the profit center listings, and here the balance sheet items, right? Then let us go to another important report, which is balance sheet items transferred periodically. You can see the list of items which has been transferred. I will show you. Profit center group, value center vehicles, San Francisco, which is here, and execute. Sorry, we haven't entered the period 1. Yeah, you can see 200 has been transferred. Yeah, so using this report you can see what has been transferred for every month using the periodic profit center transferring of payables and receivables. This report here, the values for this report are updated from this transaction here. Okay, I think we have covered most of the important reports. Let's end the topic now. So one last report is here. We have always been using this. Okay, you know about it. And the line items report, which is here. The only drawback with this is that we can't use 0 posting period, because if we use 0 it doesn't really show the carry forward balance.